Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to find somebody on Venmo using their phone number. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So first things first, what we have to do is open up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by the home page. On your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the Venmo application and open it up, and once we have done so, now we can continue. So the first thing we need to do is log in. We need an account, so if you do not already have an account, what you can do is register for one using the Get Venmo option right here. Once you have gotten your account, you can get started logging in. So on your mobile phone, register with a phone number if you need to, and when you log in you'll be greeted by the home page. So this is going to be our home page right here of Venmo, our main page from where we can get started. As you can see right here at the bottom of the screen, we can access all the sections we have, such as home, cards, me, and so on. And now we can get started finding anybody we want. So how do we do so? As you can see right here on this article, we can take a look at the steps we need to do to find people. What we're going to do is to tap our profile icon in the top left corner and then click the search people option that appears. So once you're in the home page, you want to go into the home section and then click on search people. This is going to enable you to get started inputting what you want to search, and you can search people with the full name of the person you're looking for or by their username or phone number. So there you can input their phone number and try to find their account. If you cannot see their account but they have a Venmo, this is maybe because they set their profile to private, so keep that in mind. They need a public profile to be able to find them, but basically that's how you can get started searching for somebody using their phone number and adding them as a friend. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.